Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to change volume from League of Legends client. In order to change your game volume from the League of Legends client, firstly open up your League of Legends client, then head to the top right hand side of the client, click on the gear button. After that, he'll be redirected to the settings tab. From here, under the clients tab, select the sound setting. From here, you can control all the sounds of the client. You can enable, disable the sound, change the overall volume, enable SFX. You can also choose that if you want to hear or not ambient sounds, pick codes, ban codes of champions, if you want to hear music, if you also want to hear play champion select music, lobby post game music, or login music. Now you can also change the in-game sounds through the in-game section. Under the sound tab, you can select the overall volume, music, announcer, voice, sound effects, ambience, and ping volume are set differently. You can choose them as you wish, or you can also select to disable all the sounds from here, which is also possible. So that is how you can essentially change a volume from your League of Legends client.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.